So I'm taking apart a Galaxy S4. As you can tell, this is a live demo unit, and I'm going to be flashing it later with a custom kernel and what you call it. I have to do a Wi-Fi fix as well because I kind of messed up the Wi-Fi. But normally with your normal S4, you would turn it off before doing this. But with me, I can't turn it off with the button because it's stuck on the boot load. So I would just have to slam the battery out. So after you turn yours off, you would take the back cover off, the battery out, put them to the side, and then you can begin. Now, in the beginning, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws to deal with. We're going to take those out. One. What's the long one? Guess we're still on 1, 2, 3, 4, on the 5th one now. 5, 6, 7, 'Guess this one's stuck as well. 7, 8, last one, and 9. So the next step would be to take the case opening tool. Now, you don't put the case opening tool in between here. No, that's the LCD. You put it in between. Oh, actually, sorry, that was a mistake. Next step would be to pull this up. Pull up. This is the microphone and speaker. Just the speaker, actually. Sorry, keep making mistakes today. So that would be the microphone, and that's also the where the antenna plugs in to the main board and the charging port. Next, you would take the case opening tool and run it along the side of the entire phone of this plastic bezel. You don't have to be scared of snapping anything. The clicks is what you're meant to hear. So that's the back taken off. Put that to the side. Next, we take off these clips, connect it to the main board. Well, you don't really have to take this one off because it's already part of the main board anyway. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. There. By the way, with live demo units, what makes them not able to take calls is because they don't have IMEIs, and the place where where the antenna will be connected along this line, it doesn't have the antenna module soldered on, which shouldn't be too hard for most phone shops to do for you. So next, after that's done, there's one screw holding the main board down, which is this black one here in the corner. You can take that off easily, put that along there. You don't have to worry about them getting mixed up. That one's black, every other one is silver, and the silver ones, they don't have a specific place where they have to go. You can put them in any random order you want. Next, you can take your tool to just pop that off. Don't worry about the camera, it's not connected to the LCD, it's connected to this board as well. So you can just lift that, gently slide it out, and there's the main board for the S4. It's tiny. Well, nowadays they make them tiny anyway, they just seem bigger when you're holding the phone. So there's the S4 stripped apart. If you were to replace the camera module, you would just peel this one off as well, and you would replace the camera. I would recommend getting an original camera module. I wouldn't get a cheap one. So yeah, that was just a basic strip apart of the S4, and to put it all back together, you will clearly just watch the video in reverse. And also, if you were to change the LCD, you would take this off obviously, but I'm not going to go too deep into that. The headphone jack, you would unscrew from there and put that into the new LCD.